Let me show you how to create this professional text behind subject in Canva. Open Canva and click Create. Choose Custom Size, set it to pixel, and then I will type here 4000 and 4500. And then click this button. Press it on your keyboard. I will type here swing. I will change the font to Nagasaki. If you want to know how to install this font to Canva, please watch this video. Increase the size and then upload your photo. For example, I will choose this photo, a baseball photo. Move it to the top. I will remove the background. And then I will adjust the position like this. Select the baseball photo, go to transparency, make it invisible, and then download this text with transparent background. Click download. I need this white background. So first I will make the text invisible and then click share, download as PNG and click download. Okay, now I will remove the text and then upload the text and the white background here. Quick before we dive in, my digital store Creatvicto on Gumroad has premium and free templates. Link in the description, don't miss it. Select the white background, go to apps, type card, click image cutout maker, select the text, scroll down, click image, click use selected image, scroll up, increase the text to fit the white background, and then scroll down and add a new page. I will change the background to other color. I will use a gradient like this one. Close it. And then click add to design. Now we have the frame. And then increase the size to fit the page. And then copy the player photo. Scroll down and paste it here. Send it to back. Click layer and send to back. And then duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin. And then crop it. So now we have it. And if you want to increase the size, just go to position, layers, select them 3 and increase them all. And if you want to add stroke to your text, just click the frame, go to edit, and then choose shadow, and then choose outline. Now it has an outline or stroke, and then reduce the size and change the color to the color that you want or the color that match to the design. Okay, now click share, download as PNG, and share to your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.